Cucumbers are the ultimate summer crop. Fast-growing, refreshing, and ideal for garden beds or trellises. But to get the crisp, juicy cucumbers we all love, your plants need the right nourishment. This homemade, natural fertilizer is perfect for giving the energy and protection they need. Begin by preparing the first ingredient. Place 2 tablespoons of lentils into a grinder and turn them into a fine powder. Once ground, pour the lentil powder into half a liter of warm water. Lentils are rich in nitrogen, which plays a vital role in leaf growth and overall plant vigor. They also release enzymes and micronutrients that stimulate strong root development. Next, add 2 tablespoons of whey to the mixture. Whey is full of calcium and beneficial microbes that support plant health and help prevent common nutrient deficiencies. This ingredient also helps maintain a well-balanced soil environment, which cucumbers especially appreciate during hot and humid days. Finally, include 1 teaspoon of neem powder. Neem is a time-tested natural pest deterrent, effective against aphids, spider mites, and a host of other cucumber-loving pests. It also offers antifungal properties that shield plants from diseases like mildew and blight, which often strike during damp weather. Give the mixture a thorough stir and let it rest for at least 3 hours so the ingredients can infuse. After that, strain the liquid and dilute it with 2 more liters of water. Apply about 300 milliliters to each plant every 15 days for the best results. If this recipe helps your cucumbers grow healthier and stronger, be sure to share it with your fellow gardeners. Thanks for tuning in and happy growing.